Success in today's global market isn't just about working hard, it's about working smart with the right strategy. We offer global business consulting at Fintech Solutions LLC, helping companies expand and thrive worldwide. But before moving ahead, hit that subscribe button to stay updated on global business strategies, industries we serve. We provide expert consulting across multiple industries, including technology and startups, healthcare and pharmaceuticals, finance and banking, retail and e-commerce, manufacturing and supply chain, education and ed tech. What we offer at Fintech Solutions LLC, we don't just offer advice. We deliver solutions that drive real business results, market research and competitive analysis, business expansion strategies, technology integration, branding and digital marketing, SEO, social media, and lead generation, risk management and compliance. How we work. Our approach is simple, yet highly effective. Step 1. Discovery and analysis. We assess your business and goals. Step 2. Strategy development. Tailoring a roadmap to success. Step 3. Execution and implementation, bringing strategies to life. Step 4. Performance optimization, ensuring long-term growth, success stories and results. Our proven strategies have helped businesses worldwide achieve greater efficiency, higher profits, and global success. Our proven strategies have helped businesses worldwide achieve greater efficiency, higher profits, and global success. From startups to Fortune 500 companies, our clients trust us to scale, optimize, and expand. If you're ready to take your business to the next level, let's connect.
Before ending this video, let me ask you, are you looking to scale your business globally, adopt cutting-edge tech, or enhance your cybersecurity? You're in the right place. We'll explore our game-changing IT and engineering training services that can revolutionize your business. We offer major services like global business consulting, MVP development, cutting-edge technologies, IT training programs, cybersecurity solutions, educational consulting, digital marketing strategy, engineering, and IT digital services. Our engineering and IT services are further divided in two parts. The first part consists of tech architectural concepts including NoSQL DBs, design patterns, MVC framework, REST, SOAP, data structures, microservices, serverless, crypto basics, DB designs, caching designs, DB sharding, replicas, gateways, load balancing techniques, auto-scaling designs, OLAP versus aggregated tables, ETL versus ELT UI/UX concepts, logging and audit trails, replicas, serialization, state design. Another part includes data science concepts in which we offer regression, data distributions, probability, ChatGPT, hypothesis testing, sampling, classification technique, neural network, K-means, decision tree, A/B testing, Bayes' theorem, deep learning, gradient descent, TensorFlow, scikit-learn, convoluted neural network, support vector. Contact us today and subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for regular updates.